In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a leaderboard in Roblox Studio. So this is going to be a very short tutorial, and the only thing that you are going to do really is open the Roblox Studio just like so. Now that we are here, we're just going to go ahead and click the experiences and choose the experience that we're going to be using. Say for example, this one here, this is a private one. I'm just going to use this for now. And then we're going to go ahead and open the view in here, and then we're going to open properties, and here in the properties, make sure you click the workspace, and then we're going to click the plus sign in here. We're going to add a script. So the script that we're going to be using, by the way, is this one over here. I want you to take a look at this one right here, and all you have to do is just copy this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste it here just like so. After doing so, I'm going to click home and then click play in order for me to test this out. So you should be able to see it's something like here up here. So yep, that is how you're going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.